Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see devices connected to Google account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm right here on my main Google account window, and if you want to get to this page, you can go to my account.google.com. This page is the central settings for your Google account, covering everything linked to it, such as Gmail, YouTube, Drive, and more. In order to find the devices connected, scroll down to the Security section, which is about halfway down in the left-hand panel. Click Security, then scroll down again until you see the section called Your Devices. Here, click on Manage All Devices, and this will show every device that's connected to your account. For example, on my account, I can see my computer and my iPhone both listed here. You can click into any of these devices for more details. If you notice something suspicious, maybe a device signed in from another country, or one you don't recognize, you can choose to sign out from that device directly. This removes access to your Google account from that specific device. You can repeat this process for any phones, tablets, or laptops that appear here. And that's it. So that is how you can see devices connected to Google account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.